I've got a challenge for you today. How do you say this word? This one is casual. There's a zh sound in it, and it's a particularly hard word for a lot of second language speakers. Hi, I'm Ryan. Welcome to English Learning Adventures, and today I want to talk about the zh sound in English. This sound comes in words like casual, measure, decision, genre, but it's a zh sound. The zh sound is not a D sound, so this is not casual. I hear a lot of students use that sound as a replacement. This sound is formed by placing your tongue near the roof of your mouth, just behind the front teeth, and it's an aspirated sound, which means there's a small puff of air that comes out. So you can actually take your hand and you can put it up in front of your face and you can say casual, and you should be able to feel a puff of air coming out when you say this sound. So try isolating these sounds and repeat after me. Casual, visual, visual, decision, decision. Learn to recognize that zh sound and try to make that one properly. It's sort of like a mix and a blend of a D and a J sound. J, j, juice. But there's a little bit more resonance to it, and there's a little bit more of an aspirated puff of air. But that's basically the mouth feeling that you're going to be using to build this sound. Let's practice this. Focus on that zh sound as you're going through these sentences. So she made a casual decision to watch a foreign game. The measure was taken during a television segment. His behavior was a little too casual for the occasion. And so some of the common problems include saying things like me, sir, or medjur, or megger sometimes. You don't want to do this. You want to get a clearly pronounced zh sound. To be honest, this isn't a common occurrence to have this zh sound in English, but you do have to have a good command of it to be able to speak English well. So spend a little bit of time on this. It's going to make a difference in your speaking patterns. Thank you very much. I'm Ryan. This is English Learning Adventures. If you like what I do, give me a like and follow. I really appreciate it.